Shows in that little window.
The light shows in the window?
Yeah, you gotta put it on here so that the light shines through the window.
Oh, okay. Well, you do that.
Take that plug and plug it into the red thing down there on the floor.
Why don't you untwist that for me?
There. You know where that red thing is?
Mm-hmm. There it is. Not yet. Okay. Look at it.
I think that's it. Can you see that blue light in there?
Yeah.
Well, that blue light shows the water level.
Oh, looky kitty boobles. Looky
Now,
kitties.
This water runs like this, and it runs into that hole and it recirculates, or it runs into that little dish. It'd probably be better to just leave it like this.
I think so too. We got the little dish, but the dish will make like a little fountain noise. It'll make like a little splashing noise. You want to see how that sounds there? I think it'll make like an actual.
This will fill up and then it'll run into the hole.
Yeah, they won't actually drink out of the dish, but it'll make a.
You must have heard it. Here, why don't you take the little table away, and then we'll put it on the floor. I have to hold this with 2 hands.
Hold my camera. Are you doing the video?
Yeah.
Okay. Look, babies.
Well, he likes it.
Yeah, the dish, they don't actually drink out of the dish. It just makes like a little fountain.
Yeah.
Are you taking a video?
Yeah.
Okay. Who is that? That's Art. There you go. See, Squirt's gonna love it.
Yeah.
Because it's like drinking out of the sink.
Yeah.
And there's sofas. And baby kitty's like, I'll just do what everybody else does.
Yeah. I got my finger in the way there for a minute.
Look, Sophus is putting his paw in it.
Yeah, thing's not lined up exactly, but we'll get it.
What's not lined up?
The little dish
little
on
dish?
top, yeah.
Where does it need to go?
Needs to go over towards Squirt some more.
This way?
Yeah. A little more.
Hardy Bert.
Yeah, that's about right, I guess. They like that running water. That's why I got it.
They're gonna love it.
Well, you're gonna have to find some place you can plug it in.
You mean we can't leave it here?
Oh, sure.
Right in front of Daddy's chair.
Sure. Yeah, no, she's licking him.
I'm gonna go find Archie and see. Now, see, Archie won't want to do it with the rest of the cats. Barchols, where are you, Barch? I don't know where Archie's at.
No. Well, this one cat here, Archie, or Sophus, he really likes it. He just really, and now, Squirt's drinking out of the thing where it's dripping.
Like it's the faucet, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey there, bud. Oh, this is the baby girl.
Yeah, she just walked away.
The Barchabar. Where's the Barchie at? Where's the Barchaballs?
Anyway, they seem to like it.
They sure do. Yes, you do. Squirt says it's just like my own bathroom faucet.
Now the little kitty's sucking it up. She's trying. She never could figure that out real good.
No.
But look at Sophus.
Sophus is really going for it.
Just really drinking water.
Oh, Archie or Squirt. You know where Archels is at? Usually I can find it. Hey, Barch.
Yep. Now they're all coming toward you. Sophus is looking at it like, well, I would go back there, but that cat won't let me alone. He's going to try it from this side now. He says, well, I tried it from the other side. Maybe this side will be okay too. See, he enjoys it. I thought maybe they would drink more water this way.
Some of the pet experts say to get one of these if your cats don't drink enough water because it'll entice them to drink more.
Yep.
There you go.
They have several different ones. They have one that I didn't realize they had one that you could charge.
Squirt again. Squirt says this is like my own bathroom sink.
That you could, charge and it would run. And then they had one that as the cat approached it, the water started flowing.
Oh, yeah. Uh-oh, what'd you do there, girlie? He says,
Squirt's over there rubbing his head on his box.
Where did Archibalds go? He's usually right here.
Yes, she's learned how to drink out of it.
Is it fun?
Well, that's how it works.
Good job, baby.
There you go. I bought an extra motor and I got some extra filters, so we can change it and clean it, and we can buy them periodically. Or we can get a different kind. We can get one for one place and one for another if you want. That blue light is supposed to show you when there's water in there.